This arm blaster for biceps is a brilliant bit of kit if you're serious about your curls. It keeps your arms locked in the right position, so you're not swinging or cheating the rep, helping you focus on your biceps. It's great for getting that pumped, full muscle feeling with every single set. This yoga block and strap set is perfect for improving your balance and flexibility during practice. The blocks are soft, yet sturdy enough to support deeper poses, and the strap helps you ease into stretches without overdoing it. It's a lovely little set for anyone wanting more control and comfort. This agility ladder training set is ideal for boosting your footwork, speed, and coordination. Whether you're into football, rugby, or general fitness, the long ladder and adjustable rungs give you plenty of room for drills. It's a simple but powerful way to level up your agility. This quick-dry gym towel is a proper essential for any workout bag. It's made from lightweight, absorbent microfiber that dries fast and stays odor-free, even after tough sessions. Whether you're in the gym or outdoors, it keeps you feeling clean and fresh throughout. These gym exercise handles are tough, comfortable, and made to last through heavy training. They clip onto most cable machines or bands and give you a secure grip for all kinds of upper body exercises. A great way to upgrade your home gym setup without going overboard. These ergonomic workout handles are designed to take the strain off your hands and wrists. They're shaped to fit naturally in your grip, making cable workouts more comfortable and effective. They're brilliant if you train often and want to avoid hand fatigue. These weightlifting gloves offer the kind of support and grip you need to push harder in your lifts. Whether you go for fingerless or full coverage, they protect your palms and wrists while keeping your grip solid. Great for everything from deadlifts to pull-ups. This yoga mat cleaner spray keeps your mat feeling fresh and smelling lovely with its gentle lavender scent. This wooden balance board is perfect for improving core strength and stability. Whether you're doing balance drills or standing at your desk, the non-slip surface keeps you steady, and the natural wood design looks great too. It's a fun way to stay active without needing a full workout. This Pilates ring set is a compact home workout in one neat bundle. You get a magic circle for resistance training, a soft mini ball for core work, and stretchy bands for toning. It's ideal for Pilates, yoga, or just sneaking in a few sculpting moves during the day. This gym storage rack is a sturdy and tidy way to organize your fitness gear. It mounts on the wall and holds everything from resistance bands to barbells, keeping your space clutter-free. If you've got a home gym, it's a no-brainer to keep things in order. These VersaGrips Pro are brilliant for anyone who lifts heavy. They wrap around the bar to boost your grip and reduce wrist strain, so you can train harder without worrying about slipping. They're well made and trusted by serious lifters everywhere. This dumbbell foot attachment turns your basic weights into a leg training tool. It straps around your ankle so you can do leg curls, extensions, and more using the dumbbells you already own. Great for home workouts without needing machines. This upgrade pull-up bar fits snugly in your doorway and supports a lot of weight without wobbling. It's great for pull-ups, chin-ups, or even hanging leg raises. The multi-grip options give you loads of variety for upper body training at home. This running belt is slim and secure, ideal for keeping your phone, keys, and other essentials tucked away while you jog. It doesn't bounce or shift, so you hardly notice it's there. Whether you're heading out for a light run or a longer session, it's comfy and reliable. These Power Rack J-hooks are built for stability and safety when you're lifting heavy. They attach firmly to your squat rack and give you peace of mind while racking and unracking the bar. A solid upgrade for any home gym setup. These pull-up resistance bands are versatile, strong, and ideal for assisted pull-ups or full-body training. They add resistance or support depending on how you use them, and they're easy to pack if you're working out on the go. These non-slip yoga socks are perfect for Pilates, bar, or barefoot workouts. They've got grippy soles and elastic straps that keep them in place, helping you stay balanced and secure through every movement. They're also comfy enough to wear all session long. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.